here is the new topic that I will show you today. So anyway, what do you like to do during Christmas? How many times a day do you eat during Christmas? Have you ever accompanied with your friends during Christmas carol? So let us begin. What does it mean, Christmas? Christmas is the annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, which is celebrated on December 25 among billions of people around the world. Christmas Day is a public holiday in many countries. Many countries celebrate religiously by a majority of Christians. The Gospel of Luke and Matthew describe Jesus was born in Bethlehem. What type of weather was it when Jesus was born in Bethlehem? Bethlehem is a small city, not a country or a province. Is there a proof to justify that Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Galilee? Was Jesus Christ born in summertime or in the winter times? Some says that Jesus was born in autumn. How come his birthday is celebrated in December? Christmas is celebrated including the installing and lighting of Christmas tree. How Christmas is celebrated in India? Compared to other religious festivals, Christmas is quite small festival in India. How do you prepare and decorate Christmas tree? Did you ever came the place where Jesus was born? Christians believe that Jesus was the Son of God. Where is the largest Christmas is celebrated? What kind of food do you prepare during Christmas? What will you choose to do on 26 after Christmas on 25? Why and how did Christmas holiday reach in India? Whether you are abroad or homeland, do you feel enjoy during Christmas? The video came to an end, so thanks everyone.